of a beaten path before us. It was all there in plain sight. Come on people, we have all seen the signs, so we may never